Alright, welcome back to another video. So, we're getting some flurries right now. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Snow just started moving in. It's been about 5 minutes. We went from flurries to light snow, so we're making progress. I'll take it. I went to go outside. There's a freaking raccoon. What the frick are you doing? Anyway, we got banding feature setting up. Just south of me. Oh, bud. Yeah. You don't know what to do. It's 2:37 in the morning. Look at that. This is amazing. It's really coming down. It's 2:41. If this keeps up, we'll have 3 inches on the ground in no time. This is why I like nighttime snowstorms, because nobody's on the road, and nobody's going to be on the road at nighttime, but it's also 3 in the morning. This is a main road, and nobody's on it. Alright, looks like we got some smaller flakes. Already got about an inch of snow on the ground, so far so good. Look at this. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. Got some good snow on the ground right now. Very powdery, check this out. Probably got an inch and a half. Almost at 2 inches. We got heavier snow moving in also. Here. Heavy band of snow, and then once that moves out of here, we're done with this storm. And then overall, this is a pretty successful storm. Very powdery, and we got a pretty good amount. We probably got about 2 or 3 inches on the ground right now. Temperatures are falling like a fool. This is gorgeous.